Welcome to The Explainer. So today we're breaking down a complete masterclass on how you can build and scale your very own AI automation workflows. And the best part, you absolutely do not need to be a coding genius to pull this off. Let's just dive right in.
Real quick, here's our roadmap. We're going to cover the age of AI agents, how traditional automation stacks up against AI, the 5 core blocks of automation, and then we're building a smart email assistant and an AI inventory manager. Finally, we'll wrap up with a little secret on affordable agent hosting.
All right, Section 1, the age of AI agents. Adapt or be replaced. You know, since about 2022, AI completely stopped being this cute novelty. It's now an absolute survival requirement for freelancers and businesses alike. The source material makes this starkly clear. You either adapt or you get replaced. Whether you're grinding in a corporate job or out there freelancing, getting a grip on AI is literally your first crucial step to staying relevant right now.
Massive corporations are pouring billions, with a B, into AI because they see this innovation gap widening in real time. If you wait even a year to implement these technologies, crossing that gap is going to become nearly impossible. You're risking your job or struggling to find clients. That's exactly why taking action today matters so much.
Moving on to Section 2, automation versus AI agents, dynamic brain routing.
So traditional automation basically just blindly follows rigid, predefined rules. Imagine running a store that sells shirts and shoes. Standard automation, it sends every single incoming order blindly to one general department. But an AI agent? It acts like a dynamic brain. When that order comes in, the AI analyzes the data on the fly, figures out, hey, this is a shoe order, not a shirt, and routes it straight to the correct specialized department. Zero human intervention needed. It's a total game changer.
Section 3, the 5 blocks of automation, mastering NAN nodes.
To build these systems, you just need to know about nodes. Every workflow is made up of these connected elements. A node is simply a single building block in N8N that performs one specific task. Think of them like digital Lego bricks you just snap together.
There are really just 5 core nodes you need to master. First up is the trigger, which is basically the doorbell that kicks off your workflow, like getting a new email. Second is the action, which actually executes tasks. Third, the utility, used for filtering or routing data. Fourth is code, for when you need custom backend tweaks. And finally, the agent node. This is the brain of the whole operation, making those dynamic decisions.
All right, Section 4, smart email assistant, AI email drafting.
Let's look at the exact blueprint for an AI system that handles your inbox. Step 1, the trigger fires when a new email hits. Step 2, an AI text classifier analyzes that message to separate, say, an incoming order from a general inquiry. Step 3, the AI brain, using a model like OpenAI's GPT-4o Mini, reads the context and actually drafts a highly personalized reply. And Step 4, the action node takes that draft and drops it right into your Gmail drafts folder for a final look.
Now, you might be wondering about the JSON snippet mentioned here. In the technical backend, just think of a snippet as a digital box that holds your email's core message. The AI uses this box to craft highly structured responses, acting like your own personal copywriter. It reads the details, generates an accurate reply, and you didn't have to manually type a single word. How cool is that?
Section 5, AI Inventory Manager, Voice and Chat Control. Imagine just bypassing tedious spreadsheets entirely. With this setup, you just type or speak a command like, hey, I bought 200 new covers. The agent catches this, recalls the context using an N8N memory node, searches your Airtable database for that exact item, and instantly updates your stock count, dynamically.
But there's a really important catch here. Memory is absolutely crucial. See, standard AI resets every single time you talk to it. But by integrating a simple memory node, it retains context. If you casually mention your favorite bike is a Ducati and later ask, hey, what's my favorite bike? It actually remembers. Without that memory node, it wouldn't retain those past instructions, which is super vital for keeping your inventory manager feeling smooth and conversational.
Almost done. Section 6, affordable agent hosting, self-hosting on a VPS. Look at the stark difference we have here. Standard SaaS subscriptions can eat into your profits so fast. So instead of dropping roughly $50 a month for N8N's official Pro Cloud plan, self-hosting on a Hostinger KVM2 virtual private server is the ultimate secret. It lets you scale affordably while keeping your agents running 24/7. To put that into perspective,
By grabbing a 12 or 24-month plan and applying a discount code, you can bring your monthly cost down to roughly 1,500 Pakistani rupees. For that incredibly low price, you are securing a powerful 8GB RAM virtual machine dedicated entirely to running your custom AI agents around the clock. It's a total steal.
So we've covered the urgent shift toward AI, the 5 building blocks of automation, built an intelligent email assistant, set up a dynamic inventory manager, and uncovered how to host the whole shebang affordably. Now that you have this complete blueprint to build and host your own AI workflows, I want you to think about this. What manual, tedious burden in your own business are you going to hand over to an AI agent today? The tools are literally right in front of you. It's time to start building.